but that's it. But anyway, Peyton's finally up. So it's time to go to the beach!
Can we even do selfie vlogs?
You wanna know the cool thing about phone vlogs?
What? Is it a selfie vlog?
No, it's not a selfie. It's facing right at you. So like, you record whatever you want.
Is that right?
You know it. We're here. I don't know if you see me. Doubt it. Alright, here's all our stuff. We brought the Drizzy drone that I have never used. We brought Cecil the whale. Yo, Luke, what you playing there? No. Try again. To the land of the pines, some of my way in the north. Yeah.
That's the best I can do right now.
Hey.
I do that.
I do that.
Okay, anyway, I'm gonna teach you guys how to do a wall flip. That's gonna be sick. We're gonna go up here on this little, here, I'll show you. It's pretty hard. We're gonna treat it like a wall. And we're gonna see what we can do here.
Righteous!
Peyton, you think you got the, okay, so the takeoff, here, hold this.
We're filming us filming.
Holy crap.
It's working! My water! Oh, my water! We're filming us filming. That's filmception. Beach Day 2018. Myrtle Beach! So we just went to the ocean. Me, Tim, and Peyton. Peyton ran out after like 2 seconds though. I literally cannot feel my thighs, my upper body, my arms, or my neck right now. Oh, it was miserable. Yeah, don't come to the beach in February, even if it's 80 degrees outside, because the water still feels like it's 20. All right, thank you. Peyton, give us your best life advice right now. Yes. You heard it here first. Always say yes to every question you're asked. Tim, give us your best life advice right now.
My good friend once said, assertive, insertive. Luke! Give me your best life advice right now.
When it comes to your actions, do not be so concerned with the what, but the why.
Oh!
Turkey.
What was that?
What the?
What the?
How much are the cookies? Do y'all have the caramel delight?
How many?
2.
Give me dollars?
Yes. Thank you.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Yes!
There you go.
Oh! Goodwill! Hey, get the camera. You call me out upon the waters, great unknown, where feet may fail. And there I find you in the mystery, when oceans deep, my faith will stand. Call me out of the water, and I will call upon your name, and keep my eyes above the waves. When oceans rise, my soul will rest in your embrace, for I am yours, and you are mine. Oh.
I got incredibly sunburned
and it's really painful. Ooh. Oh man.